You ready? What's up, yo?
Yes, honey.
So today is gonna be a short video. I'm not doing my hair today, even though I obviously need to, but it's okay. I'm gonna wait a couple more days. First things first, y'all, it's my birthday month, okay? So if y'all didn't know, your girl was born April 26, 1996. So you know we didn't get lit this month. So that's not why I'm here though, okay? I'm not telling y'all my birthday plans or nothing yet. Y'all gonna see it if y'all really rock with me because we're gonna vlog it, okay? So, for starters, I got a package today and I was like, I haven't done any unboxing video, so I was like, why not do this one on video? This is a company that I rock with, the Strong Way, because they keep my edges slayed. Whoa, I am recording. Sorry about that. Because they keep my edges slayed and they're just an awesome company. If you haven't guessed already, the company is Style Factor, and I will hold up the box this way because I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna show you guys the front because obviously my address is on the front, okay? It's not, they shipped it straight to me. First things first, y'all, I'm still obsessed with my teeth. This is not gonna work.
Use one end, you know, stab.
They're not that sharp, baby. They're round at the tip. Stab. I'm not that violent, I can't just stab, you know? Yeah, it's not working.
Stab.
I put a lot of effort into that. I need scissors.
What's your address was on this?
You're right. I am excited. I'm getting there. Just give us a second.
2 hours later.
We got the box open! Alright, y'all can't see nothing, but look at my box! Ah! I'm always so excited. So let's go through this box, okay? Had to give y'all a better angle. Sorry about that. So first things first, I got the Stronghold Styling Gel, which I'm probably gonna take with me to my hair appointment. I'm not gonna tell you guys how I'm getting my hair for my birthday, but just know this is gonna come in handy. Ooh, use for hair gel only. They got a little spoon. I got a spoon. That's really clever. No company has ever given you like a spoon. Like, you know, when you're trying to get the last of the hair gel, it's just really hard. And now I got a whole spoon. Like, y'all see this? Greatness. It's greatness. Next. Oh, this is so cute and little. What is it? Extra Shine Stronghold Pomade. Okay. Let me smell this one because I smelled that one before. Let me smell this one. Oh my gosh. Y'all, their product smells so good. It's ridiculous. Wig out. Okay. I got some leave-in detangler, which I be needing because this right here, it's not easy to tame, y'all. Not at all. So this is definitely gonna come in handy. Oh, it smells good. Fights frizz and bolster shine on all hair types. I like this. I like this, babe. Baby powder scent. Okay. This is pineapple scent, which I'm gonna want to smell that too. And sweet peach scent. Now, what they, oh, okay. Y'all know, I love to keep these edges in shape. Oh, this isn't the same texture as this one is, the big one. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my gosh. Okay, and let's see another one. Let's see, Stronghold and High Shine with natural castor oil. My hair loves castor oil. Oh, what is this? Strawberry scent. Okay, what are we working with? Gotta bite it again. Oh my, oh Jesus. And last but not least, this is curl conditioning gel. What? Okay, let's see. With keratin creates a shiny and natural look on all curl types with a lightweight formula and a long-lasting hold. I've been seeing people use this a lot on Instagram too, so I really can't wait to use this. And then they gave me some heat protectant, y'all. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm trying this new thing to see how long I can go without putting heat on my hair. And getting heat protectant just makes me want to put heat on my hair. Thank you so much again, Style Factor, for these amazing products. Be on the lookout because I'll probably like vlog me getting my hair and my makeup and stuff done for my birthday, and you guys are definitely going to be seeing some of these products when I do get my hair done or in future videos. So I want to give a big shout out to Style Factor and thank you guys once again for just being a great company and blessing me with these amazing products. And I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. Please remember to hit that like button, okay? Smash on the like button, hit subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you guys can be the first to be notified when I post another video. So that means you gotta hit that ring-a-ding-ding, hit that bell for me. Thank you guys so much. Leave a comment telling me what you guys think I should try first, what you guys think, you know, the best products are. If you use them, let me know something, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching me, and I'm signing out.